Hello and welcome to the first Sunday Sync, a bi-weekly stand-up-like ritual where I update you on the Vapour Cycles project progress. First news, new microphone. Perhaps less of an ASMR experience, but an easier one for me to edit. Next up, the process demo that came out last week where we made these samples. Thank you all for the kind words, I'm really glad it was well received. There will be another, more advanced video coming soon, where we will make an x-carriage for my infamous 3D printer. So subscribe if you haven't already, not to miss that one. Nicholas from Texas got in touch and kindly offered to test out the results from the process I demonstrated. I will be making a few samples and sending them over in the next couple of weeks. Thank you again for the offer, and we're all excited to see the results. I'm not going to film making the samples, but I will post some shots on Instagram and we'll update you once we hear some results. And the final big news, those who follow me on Instagram have seen it already. The latest attempt to make the bottom bracket turned out really well and avoid issues like you see here on the previous attempt. It also turned out lighter, coming in at 108 grams versus 120 of the previous attempt. With this, we have all the pieces necessary to make version 2 prototype. Like the version 1 you see here. I will be building it over the coming week and hopefully going to test it next weekend. Make sure to follow Instagram account to get updates over the week. I will leave a link to it in the video description below. And there will also be a video coming sometime in the next 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that. Until then, have a great couple of weeks everyone. Thanks for watching and see you next time.